You must hold a view personally in relation to those difficult cases of rape, incest, fatal fetal abnormality.
Yeah, I do, and I think there will always be difficult cases. And what you'll often hear in debates about abortion is people will focus on a particular difficult case and say never again. The truth is, it is impossible to legislate to end all human tragedies associated with pregnancy. Countries like Ireland with very conservative abortion laws potentially put the lives of women at risk because of our laws, but then countries with very liberal laws like Britain, for example, not only do they end the life of the unborn, they also put women at risk because women can die as a result of terminations, can be injured as a result of them, or even lose their fertility. So there's never going to be a perfect abortion law. What we do need to be able to do, though, is to refine and amend our laws in light of what we learn from modern science and what we learn from human experience.
So do you think there's room there for this, maybe not this government, maybe the next government, to move or refine that law?
Well, I don't think in 20 years' time the laws that we have now will be the same.
So what laws will we have?
Look, that's a question that's not for me to answer on my own. It's something that I need to discuss with my cabinet colleagues.
Okay, all right.